today we're going to be adding and subtracting fractions. Can you sit all the way in your seat, please? Thank you. I know we talked about fractions last time. Let's lower this just a little bit. Can you hear it okay?
I bought a pizza that was cut into eights.
So those are like your eights that you have the good ones. Okay?
There were 8 eights when I started chowing down. I subtracted 2 eights to find what's left. Here's what I found. The numerators 8 minus 2 equals 6. The denominators were 8.
So what we talked about last time, Emily, is that everything stays the same on the bottom. So like Miss Tony and I, we are the same in our class. We're both, but then you guys all switch, right? You go to middle school and you leave us. So you guys are our numerators. You guys change, but we're still gonna be here. So the denominator, we don't touch it when we're adding.
I don't have sevens.
Just, you should. Maybe just,
And I don't have nine.
I don't know, because for used packets we have more of them.
Okay, nine.
They stayed the same. I brought the 6 eighths left to my buddy's place, and we cheered with our pizza sauce all over our face. To add or subtract fractions with the same denominator. In the sum or difference, it stays the same. You see, we only add or subtract each numerator. The answer will
See,
be
they just
ours.
took away 8, take away 2 at the top. That was all, right? So Melody, right? So 8, 7, 6.
Proclaim. I got a blueberry pie from the bakery. It was cut into fourths perfectly. I saved 2 slices for me. Okay, maybe 3, but let's stick with 2 mathematically. 1/4 plus 1/4. How much is that, dude?
What do you think, Pepsi?
1 plus 1 equals 2. That's true. The denominator stays 4 like before, so 2/4 is my value. But you know I want more. To add or subtract fractions with the same denominator. In sum or difference, it stays the same. You see, we only add or subtract each numerator. The answer will be ours to proclaim.
He sings better than me, so that's why we put him in. Okay.
Well, what was it to the left?
You want to finish it?
Yeah.
You guys want to finish the song?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
What do you think? Gotta split our vote.
Yeah.
Yes
Okay.
or no?
Yeah. I would
Okay.
guess.
It's always a great day to add or subtract fractions with like denominators. Yep, that's a fact. The bottoms don't budge, they're steady
They
and
stay the
same.
same.
But those wacky numerators just love to play games. They add or subtract on top of the line. Find their summer difference, and you'll do fine.
Hi, I'm Ben. You might recognize my voice as the pizza guy in the Angle song or the dabbing robot in Types of Lines.
Talk about.
I'm the creator.
I remember you.
You know him? He made the number rock. Okay, we'll leave it down there for now.
Stupid.
So what we were doing the last time is we were doing all these different fractions and what is a fraction. This is what you missed. So for this one, see the whole pizza? That's one whole, right? So we go 1, 2, 3. So there was 3 whole pizzas, right? So you could put a 3 there. Yeah, I know it's almost lunchtime. And then how many slices
So
are
what are
in
we
the
gonna
pizza?
have for lunch today?
It's pizza day.
Oh,
What is pizza day? Why do I have pizza?
5. So you put a 5 as the numerator. Remember, the numerator goes on the top. Okay, you gotta focus. And then how many slices are in the pizza all together in a whole one? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should have 3 whole pizzas, 5 slices. So it's like 5 little slices out of 7 slices is in the whole pizza.
Wait, I think you skipped one. Skip one.
Is there 8 slices in the box? Count it. Let's see. There's 8? Okay, thank you. My eyes aren't that great. So it's 3 and 5 eggs. With 5 out of 8 slices. Hayden, do you remember what this number is called again at the top?
Yup. Number
The numerator. Good job. And what about the one on the bottom? Do you remember, Mom? The denominator. Perfect. So we're going to use these up here. So the denominator is when I ask you, and then the numerator is, okay? That's our sentence phrase. That's okay. And now we're going to add and subtract. So we're leveling up to something a little bit harder. Thank you for getting our packets already. I'm going to give you highlighters. So you're going to highlight all the numerators.
What do I say?
Room 602, students speaking. I'm going to take that, okay? Color the denominators in. The first question, 3 fifths plus 4 fifths. So I'll do it over here so you can see what I'm
You have a
doing.
different one than us. You have a different one.
Are you serious? Yours doesn't say 3 fifths plus 4 fifths?
He's watching.
Add instructions, do you like the numbers?
It has 6, 7 right there.
Of course it does.
That's why I wasn't getting it.
Do you have 14 15s as yours?
No. We have 14, 15.
Okay, well, Oscar, you should be over there with Miss Tony.
I could go like this. On YouTube?
Okay, you should be on you. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're going to get number 15 and we're going to color our 2 denominators the same.
Oh man. Come on guys, you make me famous. I need money.
Remember, we're not talking about that, right? So we're going to leave the denominators the same.
What if I put 2 microscopes
It might bleed through a little bit, but it shouldn't be that bad. Because that's what the highlighter's job is for.
What if it's bad? And then the narrator or the number the narrator. like the same.
I think so.
Okay.
I don't have it.
So you should have colored the two denominators right there. I like how Melody colored the numerators another color. So I think I'm gonna copy it. I wish our colors were all exactly the same. Are you ready, Aiden? So which one stays exactly the same? Is it gonna be the 15 or the numerator? Which one stays the same?
The 15? The 15.
Yeah, so we're gonna put that at the bottom, right here, right? Before we even solve the problem. So then we can just add straight across. What are we gonna add now?
The 14.
Yeah, so 14 plus 10.
24.
Good job. So it's 24 15ths.
I think I can do it by myself.
Think so? We're gonna do a few more together and then we're gonna try subtracting. It's almost the same.
I still don't get this.
Miss Tony thought this was gonna be too hard. I don't know. I think you got this. Okay. Do you only have one highlighter, bud? You only have one? Or you have two? Okay. So we're gonna highlight the denominator in number 2.
100.
100 is the denominator. Good job. This is like a percentage. That's a perfect percent.
No one doesn't need $100. I said 50.
So there's 100. I think God sent a little angel for this time. Okay, Hayden, so what's our denominator in number 2? What did you highlight in yellow there?
It is 100.
100, right?
Yeah.
And my sentence frame is covered up, so I'm gonna write it right here, okay? So we could say the denominator is, because that's also what we're working on in this lesson, is using the math vocabulary words. So the denominator is, and the numerator is, okay? I think the easy way to remember denominator is D is for down. And the denominator is down at the bottom. So I'll put down. So Melody, what's our denominator?
Denominator is 100.
Good job. Okay. And now we're going to add our 2 numerators, Aiden. So remember, all we're going to add is the 2 numbers at the top. So 72 plus 11. What'd you get, hey? What'd you get there? 83. 2 plus 1 more.
83.
That's right. Good job. So 83 out of 100. That's like a B minus if it was a percent. Not bad. It looks like you understand it pretty good, Hayden. I saw you did number 3 already. Okay. You do or you don't? So what's the denominator there?
10.
Do we change the denominator or keep it the same? Yeah, it's the same. The denominator doesn't stay, right? Just like your teacher. Who was your teacher last year? She's still here in her same classroom. She's the denominator. She's the same, but then you guys all changed it in fourth grade. You ditched her, right? So 10 is on the bottom. You ditched her, right? You get to go up. Which is good though. You're moving on. Yes, you got it. This one is interesting. Aiden and Hayden, I see you put 10 over 10. So if you guys were to use your tiles and you look at the tenths, that's the purple fraction tiles here.
How do you know which one's the same?
Which ones? The denominators are the same at the bottom. All the bottom ones are the same. So you could put, yep, you could just set it up just like that. So I'm gonna steal these ones right here so I can show you that one. Hopefully I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, do we have 10? Let's see if nobody lost one in the set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! So, oh, you can't see it, can you? Okay. So 10 tens is one whole. So if this was one whole chocolate bar, we'd only, so 10 out of 10 makes one whole. Right? That would be a whole pie gone. Whole
cotton
yeah, whole, whatever you want it to be. So, because it's 10 out of 10. Do you guys think you're going to do number 4 on your own? Okay. I'll give you just a minute to do that one on your own and we'll see. You guys got it? We'll move on to the subtraction.
You know, make orange.
I saw that the state test is going to be like 25% fractions. I don't know if that was for fourth or fifth or both, but I was looking at it going, wow, we got to work on fractions. And now you just started in your other class. Look at you go, Hayden. How did you do?
I did number
Yes.
6, 5, and 4.
Can't wait to show Miss Tony. Got it? Okay. I think we can move on to the subtraction page. You guys can skip the next fraction ones. I didn't know you were going to get it that fast. You're so smart. Here's subtraction one. Have you guys done these in your other class before or no?
No.
It's brand new? Okay. So you guys are going to be teaching all your friends in class. They're going to be like, how'd you do that, Hayden? I'm going to be like, let me show you. It's almost the exact same. So if you understand it in addition, you could do it no problem in subtraction too. We'll put one here for Emily just in case she makes it back. You okay, Oscar? Hey. Go ahead and put your name at the top of this one. And let me know when you guys are ready.
Is it like, is the same thing but minus?
Yep.
I'm scared.
Mm-hmm.
1 is 3,
We just have 15 minutes till you go down. We'll get done in that. Okay. Are we ready?
I'm already started.
You already started? Okay, so we're gonna do the exact same thing with our denominators, okay? You can color them. And Aiden, do you think the denominators change or stay the same?
Stay the same.
Good job, yeah, they stay the same, so we're gonna put a 30 down there. And now we just take 18 away from 17. But my brain will say that's too much work, so I'm going to do the opposite. Because the opposite of adding and subtracting are the same, so we can just say 17 plus 1 more makes 18. Okay, go ahead. You get this one's almost the same as that one?
Yep.
Okay, so what's our next denominator gonna be in number 2?
It is 40.
So we're gonna say, remember? You're gonna say,
The denominator is 40.
perfect. Okay, the denominator is 40. It does not change. Do all these big numbers. 39 take away 38. This one's easier for you. You just add to find the difference too. 38 plus how many more make 39? That's how I would do that one. What did you put? What did you put for? So that you're gonna say the. Go ahead, Aiden. That one.
39 minus 38 is 1.
So then you just say this sentence.
The number is 1.
The numerator.
The numerator is 1.
Good job. The numerator is 1. Now cram that name in your head. I don't know. Oh, okay.
Or minute.
Did I get this
Am I
right?
forgetting anything else that we could do?
Maybe more sentence friends than just
Sentence friends?
Okay.
So we're gonna just practice the numerator and the denominator words, okay? Because I know you get it now. I'm gonna do all the denominators yellow. Okay? So we could go fast. Okay. Aiden, for number 4, can you say the denominator, but you use it as a sentence?
The denominator
Sentence 1?
is 44.
Is it 44 or is it 4?
Four.
Yeah, it's just 4, right?
I finished.
Yep, so we're keeping it the same. And then 3, take away 2, okay, I mean 1 is 2. Let's see, Hayden. You finished the whole sheet? Nice job. Good job. Okay. Hayden, did you do number 5 already?
Yep.
Can you tell me one of the numerators? It could be this one, or the answer. What do you think the numerator is? The number 5. You have a lot of choices there, huh? Oh, you want to tell me the answer? So you're going to say the answer or the numerator is
5. Oh, you mean 4. 4.
4. So you could say
And
this. So we're just gonna put a 4 right here. Okay, can you put a 4 in your brain and then say it?
it is
The
fundamental is full.
Yeah, good job. So the numerator is 4.